So this is going to the outside of the house. I separated a little piece underneath. I'm in the crawl space here. And I got the drill. And I've got my attachments with that brush. Not exactly this one, but the other one. And I've run that all the way down the pipeline, all the way to the elbow of the dryer. And it's looking a little bit dusty around here because I've been stirring up shit and cleaning these pipes out. You can't see much down into here, but yeah, you can. There's crud and shit from running your dryer, which we don't use very often. But for people to use their dryers, this is a fire factor. So I'm gonna turn the drill on. And this wire brush that you see here, I got another one in there. I'm spinning out all the dust and all the shit all the way to the bottom elbow of the dryer behind the wall where it drops down. Very important. You don't want a fire!